Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is about one of my favorite stock, which is NIO, ticker symbol NIO. I have been playing this stock since $14. I had some long call option for strike price 30. I never thought it will be 30 that fast, but oh my god, like this stock was crashing. It went 45, 50, 60. So one of my favorite stock, but I never made a video for this particular stock. So I think this is a good time for this particular stock because this is my favorite, and I also think like this stock will give us some benefit in next coming week. In general, I make videos when they are about to break out, but also I think it's also important to buy low before they break out. So this video is about showing you some current trend, the support, and some option playing opportunity so that we can all gain some quick profit. So first of all, if you find this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe and also watch the entire video because I will be going through many different things, not only the price target, but also I will talk about some recent news, how the price action is moving, what was some the recent news for NIO and how the price is moving, and finally some option playing opportunity. Do not drag to the end, watch till the end of the video, and then if you like, you can like the video. If you don't like, just dislike, or just in the comment you can say you didn't like the video. Anyway, so I am not going to talk about NIO because I think most of you already know about the NIO stock. It's fundamental, what product they have. Recently they had a new sedan. Normally they had like all electric SUV. Now they introduced new sedan. You can see that nice picture. I'm not going through the company fundamentals. They have ET7, ET6, ES8, ES6. Anyway, if you go to NASDAQ, and you can see the price rating is buy, you can see the big names here. Also you can see the average price target of 65 with a low of 46 and a high of 80. Currently NIO price is sitting around 56, which is below the average price. Also, if you look at the last three earnings, you can see the green dots, which mean in last three earnings they beat the expectation or the estimate. So all good sign. And before the earning, that stock ran up, and we are going to have another earning in March, so anticipate there will be another run up before the earning. But you can see the last three earning, they beat the estimates, right? So finally the January delivery numbers, so it's a good number. It says like 4 times than the previous year of January, and it's a good number, right? So each month I think they are delivering more and more, and compared to January 2020, like it's a 4 times more delivery. So it's a good news, right? So whenever this kind of news comes, we expect the stock price will go high, but we did not see that beginning of February when the news came, the stock did not shoot up, and I will show you the picture of what happened. Okay, so in this chart I'm comparing Tesla, which is the top one in red color, and I have Leo, XPEV, and Li Auto, these three Chinese stock. The funny thing is, like you maybe you already know, when they move together. You see all three Chinese stock, same type of high, came down, same type of change. I'm looking at percent change, but they are following the same trend. So beginning of February, I think the NIO delivery number came. We can see all the Chinese stock came down, but Tesla went up and they went down. And starting from, I think from this line, you can see both Tesla and they are following the same trend. Like they came down, they're trying to go up. Anyway, the main point I wanted to show you that the recent change in NIO price is only not because of NIO. You can see the other Chinese stock, they are also behaving in the same way. Now let's look at the chart here. This is a weekly chart for NIO. You already know how the stock moved from $2, and there's a massive run up, then there was a dip, then again it ran up hard, then maybe there will be another dip, and I'm sure it will go up again. So I wanted to show you the price movement and also what price we are expecting. So first of all, on a weekly chart, we can see that this is a falling wedge, and I have two lines, and you can see how the stock is bouncing from that channel. Whenever it breaks that falling wedge, it will go higher, but now we see a downward trend. Let's move to daily chart now, and at the daily chart you can also see we for last few days we are consolidating around this area, and for any kind of growth stock, consolidation is really good because it helps the stock to grow. So maybe we can see a reversal from here. You can go over. If we look at the RSI and the MACD, still the RSI is pointing down, so the stock might come down for next few days. Also the MACD is here, is still not reversing, so you can see the stock might come down and touch the black line again, but we do not know because NIO is something you can't predict. The last earning, you can see after the earning, before the earning, after the earning, some hype, and again earning is coming of 9th of March, so we know how there will be a run up, right? So I think they also have a NIO day, and before the NIO day the stock ran from $44 all the way $65, $66. Now it's coming down, but again there is earning coming up, so maybe there will be another run up. I want to draw some support and resistance for this particular stock. So one particular line I want to show you before I do anything. This particular one, I have it in black, blue. So that was the previous resistance, then it became the support. We went up, and you see for last 2 days we came, but we bounced off that particular line, which is around 54.5. So if it comes down again around this line, grab some share or option. I think it will not come below. Maybe it will bounce back and then it will go up, or maybe it will just go up. But this is a very important line, keep that in mind. Also, you can see the highest price was $67. We can also look at some other lines here. 1 candle, 2, 3, 4 candle. So around $62 is another resistance. I think around this area, yeah, give or take around $59. So currently we are around $54. It can go to $59, $62, or even $67. So these are the lines, keep that in mind. It's not going to break out, but what I'm making this video just to show you that this is a very important line, 54.5. If the stock comes to that particular point, grab some share, grab some option, because I think it will go higher in anticipation of the earning. Also it will go up and we will break the falling wedge and we will go higher and higher. Now let's look at last few days of action. Like from 25th of January the stock was $63. Then you see like coming down, coming down, coming down, and we came here, and on a 15-minute chart this is another good support, which is $55, 54.57. What did I say? 54.37. Okay, so around like $55 or $55, I think, yeah. So that's a good support. You can see around 55.2 the stock bounce off 1, 2, 3, 4 few times. Maybe I'll just draw the line so that it helps you to keep that. Maybe I'll just go around here, right? Yeah, 55.2. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. So starting from 28th of January it came many times, but it bounced off from that particular line. Now if it comes back again, I think it will bounce back from that 55.2 and it will go up. If not 55.2, the other line I had around 54.5. You see they're very close, right? So grab some share and it will go higher. Okay, now let's look at how can we get some opportunity with some option. Before I go to option, I wanted to show you the risk of option, because we know option can give you huge profit. At the same time, option can give you huge downfall. So I'm showing you the NIO March 19th expiry 65 strike call, and what I wanted to show here, on 29th of January the premium was like $800, and within 5 days the premium came to $440. So almost 50% of the premium is gone in 5 days. And when the implied volatility is high and the stock does not move higher or the stock moves sideways, you lose a lot of money just because of the premium. So you can see like in last few days, not a huge dump in price, but just because of sideways movement, the premium can go significantly down, and currently this is around $4.4, and I think it can come a little bit down, or maybe it will go up. So be careful when you play with option. If you're really certain the stock will about to go up, play with option. Otherwise, share is more share has less risk, because the NIO price will go higher and higher. There are many price target of $100, $80 anyway. And oh, I forgot to talk about my price target. I jumped to option. So let's go back to my previous chart here. So what I wanted to show you here, let's make it easy. So last time what happened, let's see, this is the bottom, right? So from the bottom the stock went up to let's say $25 increase, and a 65% increase with $25. Now what we can anticipate, maybe the stock will come here and it will bounce back. So keep that in mind, $25 and 65%. So if we go $25, so we will be around $80, and if we go to 65, maybe $90, but for conservative I will say $80. So this is my price target. The stock will go up to $80. It could be near term, it could be before earning, it could be after earning, but in medium term, let's say the stock will go to $80. $80 to $90. Definitely you can watch many YouTube videos. They gave a price target of $80 to $100. So I'm not that off, I'm conservative on $80. So let's look at the option chain. So let's choose 19th of March, and if you know the stock will go up to 80, the premium is only 196. You can choose a premium of 335 for strike price of 70. It means your stock price will go to $73. I think this is not unrealistic. This is possible, $73. At the same time, I'm not saying do not buy it on Monday morning, because this thing can even come down from 56, it can come to 54. So whenever there will be $2 decrease, your premium can become, let's say, around $250 something. So wait for the stock to come back to the support, then you can load your boat with some call option, and I think the stock will go high before 19th of March. You have 42 days, and I think within 42 days the stock will bounce back for sure. So anyway, so that was the main thing for this particular video. If you like this information, do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I also have a Twitter page, and I also have few links down below. If you're interested, please join my group so that we can grow together. So thank you very much, my friends, for watching this video. Take care and peace.